Good morning, student. My name is Sumit Kumar. I am computer teacher from SSDAV Khunti. Today's lecture, I am going to show you how to use a BR tag. What is use of BR tag? How can we use it in program? So let's start. So I have opened a notepad and I have already written a code here. Now we just see the code HTML head, and within a title tag I am writing a HTML BR tag. HTML BR tag head close. We must remember that title tag is always used under the head tag. Title tag is always used under the head tag. So I am writing within a title tag HTML BR tag. Now within a body tag I am writing I am learning HTML. Now I am going to write some other message in body tag. Suppose I want to write something to the next line of I am learning HTML. After the I am learning HTML, in the next line I want to write something. So for the next line we need to press enter key from the keyboard to jump to the next line. So press enter key and we will jump to the next line, and I am going to write here I am using BR tag, and body tag closed, HTML tag closed. Now I am going to save it. So go to the file and click on save. Some other option is available here from the keyboard. From the keyboard we can press Ctrl plus S together to save the file. Ctrl plus S together to save the file. We will find a okay. So from the keyboard we can press Ctrl plus S together to save the file, or if you go to the file and click on save, then we will got a save box. So there are both options. We will go to the file and click on save, otherwise we will press Ctrl plus S from the keyboard. Now write the file name. DAB1 is a file name, and we must add a extension .html. We must remember that we have to add .html with the file name. It is very important. We must know about that. We must remember that. I am going to save it on the desktop. Click on save. Now I am going to show you file. So you can see that dab1.html file is here. I am going to open it. So double click on this file, or do right click and open. Now we can see that I am learning HTML, I am using BR. Now I am comparing with the code. So I am writing in two different lines. I am learning HTML and I am using BR tag. But in a browser I am seeing that I am learning HTML, I am using BR tag. So browser is displaying the result in only one line, in same line. It doesn't reflect it in a two line. So browser doesn't recognize the enter key. If you want to display your text in different line or in other line, in separate line, then we will need to use a BR tag. So BR tag is used to jump to the next line. It is used to break the line. It is used for separating the line. So if you write BR tag here, then it will be displayed in a different line. Write BR tag if you are writing something new in your notepad, then we must save it. So go to the file and click on save, and then go to that file, right click, open. Now we can see that it will be displayed in two different lines. So BR tag is used to separate the line. BR tag used to break the line. If you want to jump to the next line, then use BR tag. Where you put BR tag, it will be separated after that. Okay, so HTML, so I am learning, then br, HTML, then br, I am using br tag. So I am learning first line, HTML second line, and I am using br tag third line. So these text are displaying in three different lines. So I am using two br tag here. I am learning, then br, HTML, then br. So I am learning first line, HTML second line, and I am using br tag is third line. Let's see the result. Now you can see that the text are displaying in a three different lines. So if you want to separate the line, if you want to break the line, if you want to jump to the next line, then you will use the br tag. Hope you like it. And in next video we will talk about some other tag. We'll talk about some other tag. So thank you so much. Have a good day.